Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will let you know how to keep yourself healthy. Drink more water. Adults should drink 2 to 3 liters or roughly 8 ounces or glasses of water per day, while children should drink 1 to 2 liters or roughly 5 to 8 ounces glasses. Eat breakfast. A light, healthy breakfast is sufficient to reap the benefits of eating early. If it is comprised of lean protein and whole grains, then it will keep you from gorging at lunch. Eat well throughout the day. If half of your plate is vegetables and fruits, you are on the right track. Add in lean, protein, low dairy, and whole grains. Once a steady eating pattern has been established, your body will feel more comfortable. Eat at the right times. A good time for healthy, easy to digest evening meal is between 5 to 8 pm. It's best to avoid late night snacks because they fill you with unnecessary calories and can disrupt your sleep. Consider going meatless at least a few days a week. Being vegetarian is a good way to reduce your calorie intake and get loads of vitamins and minerals. It can also improve your cardiovascular health. Limit or completely eliminate simple sugars in your diet. While carbohydrates are an important part of your diet, simple sugar can be harmful to your health. Eat food when they are in season. Some studies have found that fruits and vegetables carry more nutrients when they are grown and harvested in their primary growing season. Read food labels to make the healthiest choices. Avoid processed foods when you can, but if you can't, read the labels and watch for added bad stuff, salt, sugar, and fat. Use intermittent fasting to control calories and boost endurance. Intermittent fasting means going without food for 12 to 6 hours a time. You may do this every day or on certain days of the week. This can help you burn your fat as a source of energy and improve your energy endurance. Thank you for watching this video. For more informative videos, please like, share and subscribe our channel.